How to edit or change background on Picsart. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change or edit your background on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type Picsart.com to enter the official website of Picsart. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface, here click on that search icon at the top of the corner just ahead of your profile picture. By clicking on it, you will reach to a new page where you will see various editing tools at the top. Hover your cursor to that editing tools and below you will see variety of editing tools. From here, select background changer, which is just below AI enhance. Click on it and you will reach to a new page. Here you will have to pick an image or video you want to change the background of. Click on the select file and select a file from your device and you can see the background has been removed. Now you can edit or change your background. You can select these colors to set as a background, or you can use this frame icon to select a background from your device. You can also use this AI feature to add background generated by AI. So in this way you can edit or change background on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.